Hey everyone, welcome back to Tips and Tricks Pro. Today we're diving into a full review of Olymptrade, one of the popular online trading platforms out there. The big question is, should you invest or avoid? Stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know before making a decision. Olymptrade is an online broker that offers trading in currencies, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies through a simplified platform. They've gained popularity for their easy-to-use interface and accessibility, but is it the right choice for you? First, let's talk regulation and safety. Olymptrade is regulated by the International Financial Commission, FINACOM, which is a positive sign since it offers some protection and dispute resolution services for traders. However, it's not regulated by top-tier authorities like the FCA or SEC, which might be a red flag for more cautious investors. Signing up is simple, and you can start with a free demo account, which is great for beginners who want to practice before putting real money on the line. The minimum deposit is just $10, making it accessible for most people. But what about the trading platform itself? Olymptrade offers a web-based platform that's clean, intuitive, and packed with basic charting tools. It's not as advanced as platforms like MetaTrader 4 or 5, but it's perfect for beginners or casual traders. They also have a mobile app so you can trade on the go. Reviews of the app are generally positive, highlighting its ease of use and stability. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty: fees and payouts. Olymptrade doesn't charge commissions on trades but makes money from the spread and payout percentages. Typical payouts for successful trades hover around 80–90%, which is fairly competitive. However, there are some drawbacks. Customer support can be slow at times, and some users report difficulties withdrawing funds or getting account verification approved. Plus, like any trading platform, there's significant risk involved, especially if you don't fully understand how trading works. Here's a quick summary. Pros: low minimum deposit, easy-to-use platform, free demo account, regulated by FINACOM. Cons: not regulated by major financial authorities, withdrawal and customer service issues reported, limited advanced trading tools. So, should you invest or avoid Olymptrade? If you're a beginner looking for a simple platform to try trading with a small amount of money, Olymptrade might be a good starting point, but proceed with caution and never invest money you can't afford to lose. If you're a more experienced trader or want a highly regulated broker with advanced tools, you might want to explore other options. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more trading and investing insights, and comment below if you've tried Olymptrade. What was your experience? Thanks for watching, and trade smart.